Dear students, this is PK. Today we will discuss about subcell. Last class what? Cell, subcell and what? Orbital. So what is notation of different subcells? Just to see, this is K cell. This is K cell. K cell. For K cell, n is to 1. For K cell, n is equal to 1. Then what? For L cell, n is equal to 2. M cell, n is equal to 3. N cell, n is equal to 4. So the number of subcells in different cell is equal to the value of n. जो सेल रा n value जहाँ सिद्धि कौन थी वो subcell थी वो. For K cell n is equal to 1, so K cell has 1 subcell. Similarly for L cell n is equal to 2, so L cell has 2 subcells. Similarly M cell n is equal to 3, so it has 3 subcells. For N cell n is equal to 4, but 4 subcells. So n is equal to what? Pinching quantum number. Understood? So K cell the subcell what? S. L cell S P. M cell S P D. N cell S P D and what? F. The number of electrons in different subcells. So S subcell maximum 2 electrons. P subcell maximum 6 electrons. D subcell maximum 10 electrons. F subcell maximum 14 electrons. Similarly, S subcell has 1 orbital, that is what? P cell. Then P subcell by 2 what? 3 orbitals. D subcell by 2 5 orbitals. Similarly, F subcell by 2 7 orbitals. So these are different orbitals in different subcells. These are different subcells in different cells. So the electron goes to what? Different subcells. These are the capacity of electrons in different subcells. But in orbital contains maximum 2 electrons with the opposite spin. So what are the arrangement of different electrons in different subcells? So electron goes to that subcell which possesses lowest energy. Now that energy कम से आगे कौन जीरो? Electron जीरो. देखो, just to see. So K cell, first one 1s, N cell, 2s, 2p, K L N, M cell, 3s, 3p, 3d, N cell, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, fifth cell, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 7 cell, 7s, 7p, 7d, and what? 7f. So electron goes to different subcells according to increasing energy. Now that energy comes to electron zero. So you will predict the energy of different subcells by n plus L rule. N plus L rule. So n is called Pinching quantum number, whereas A represents azimuthal quantum number. अब सुनो नहीं, n का कौन ला? Pinching quantum number, L कौन ला? Azimuthal quantum number, n कौन ला? Cell, L कौन ला? Subcell. बुझले नहीं? So the energy of different subcells can be predicted by n plus L rule. Suppose this one 1s n is equal to 1, 2s n is equal to 2, 2p n is equal to 2. Similarly, 4p n is equal to 4, 5f n is equal to 5, 5p n is equal to 5. Similarly, what is what? S. So L is what? Subcell. Similarly, L what? Cell. L is what? Subcell. For L0 is called what? Is called S subcell. L0 S subcell. L is equal to 1, P subcell. L is equal to 2, D subcell. L is equal to 3, F subcell. So these are the value of N for different cell. These are the value of N for different subcell. L0 S subcell, L1 P subcell, L2 D subcell, L3 F subcell. Here we are N plus L. Just to see, here we are 4s and 3D. 3D and what? 4s. First 3D then what? 4s. For 3D, n is equal to 3. maximum in case of 3D. So among 4s and 3D, whose possesses maximum energy? Electron go to the subcell to possess lowest energy. As that energy comes, so that electron जीवो. But यहाँ 3D वाला 5 है, 4s कौन है? 4 तो 4s energy कौन है? सब बुढ़ कौन? Electron कौन जीवो? अगर 4s जीवो, then what? 3D जीवो. Electron go to that subcell which contains what lowest energy. अब बुझ लेने. तो यहाँ 4 या कौन 5 है? यहाँ energy कौन? कम. इधर आगे जीवो, electron जीवो. So the energy of different subcells can be created by n plus n rule. अब बुझ लेने. देखो. You can go see. Just to see. Now, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 5s, 5p, 5d. Just to see. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. Then 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 7s, 7p, 7d, and 7f. For 1 is n is to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. Then for S 0, 0, 1, is it 3s? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So final one, n plus n, that is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10. So electron goes to first one. One is then this one increasing order. One is then what? 2s, then both are 3. 2p and 3s. So in different subcells possesses same value of n. The electron goes to that subcell which possesses lowest value of n. And that n value come, so that electron जीवो. N value come ना, so निकुछ पैकेट जीवो. अरे कुछ तो नहीं. So between 2p and 3s, that's what? 1s, 2s, then what? 2p, then what? 3s, then 3p, then what? 4s, 5, then what? 3d, then what? 4p, then 5s. Go through 6, 4d, 6, 5p, 6, 6s, over, then 7, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 8, 5f, 6d, 7p, and so on. Just to see 1s, 1s, 2s, 2s, 2p, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3s, 3p, 3p. But 3d, no, 4s. So among 3d and 4s, electron goes to that subcell which possesses lowest energy. So 3d and 4s, in case of 4s, it is what? 4. In 3d, what? 5. So 4s possesses lowest energy, then what? 3d. I was saying, I got the 4s, I got 3d. And then this order is known as Alpha penicillin, and this order is given by N plus L rule. Just to see what is alpha penicillin. Alpha penicillin. And alpha माने कौन? Building of. तो building का इधर कौन से? Cell में, subcell में, orbital में, electron में. अब समझे ना? Nobody. For K cell, N is 1, that is 1 is N cell, N is equal to 2s, 2p, M cell, N is equal to 3s, 3p, 3d. Similarly, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 7s, 7p, 7d, 7f. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 vertical, 7 horizontal rows, 81 columns. So this is your missile launch pad. And so starting ending, full starting. So first goes what? 1s, then what? 2s, then what? 2p, then 3s, then 3p, 3s, 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, and so on. So these are equal to what? N plus 10. You don't have to add N plus L. Just to draw this picture and write down your electronic configuration. Suppose in sodium atom what? 11 electrons. First 1s 2, then 2s 2, then 2p 6, then 3s 1. Just to see 1s 2, then 2s 2, then 2p 6, then 3s 1. Because S contains maximum 2 electrons, P contains maximum 6 electrons, D contains maximum 10 electrons, A contains maximum 13 electrons. So this is the electron configuration of sodium atom by alpha penicillin. And here base रे तो ये टेबल टा टेबल चार्टा है कौन ब्लॉक S ब्लॉक P ब्लॉक D ब्लॉक A ब्लॉक 7 horizontal rows 18 vertical columns सबूरा ये बस लिखा है इतनी बेस है एंटायर टेबल में है लिखा है ये देखो ये कौन सा 6s तार कौन सा 4f 7s तार कौन सा 5f this 4f कौन lanthanoids ना 4f series the 5f कौन actinoids and so on. Similarly in case of scandium it contains 21 electrons. Just to see first I got 1s2 then 2s2 then 2p6 then 3s2 then 3p6 then 4s2. Just to add 2 plus 2 plus 6 10 plus 2 12 plus 6 18 plus 2 20 then 1 goes to 3d 1. So in case of scandium the last electron goes to 3d subcell. That's why scandium belongs to block D block. SPDF D block are tensor elements. So scandium is the tensor elements. So here what will happen? Outer cell. This is outer cell here. It is nucleus. So different cells, different what? Cells. First cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell. Here what? 3D. Here what? 4s. This is inner. This is what? Outer. So inner cell starts filling. After filling what? Outer cell. Interesting no? Now outer भर्ती लगा है inner को भर्ती हो जाए. Time between 4s and 3d. 4s what? Lowest energy. And 3d what? Maximum energy. So in D block elements, inner cell starts filling. After filling what? Outer cell. अब दूसरे नहीं. ये पूरा क्लियर लगा तो इनके समान स्कैंडियम सब कर दो. इन्हें भी आयरन है. कौन है? आयरन. आयरन कौन है?